all that would be required by the function would be the values that it would need to apply the generic code on the values received by it through its parameters. Consider the following printf statement. Printf %d I. This is actually a call to the printf function with two pieces of information passed to it, namely the format string that controls the output of the data and the variable that is to be output. The format string and the variable name can be called the parameters to the function printf in our example. Function parameters are therefore a mechanism wherein values can be passed down to a function for necessary processing, and the processed value returned back from the function, as the case may be. Values passed down to a function for necessary processing at the time of invoking the function are called the function's arguments. It is important to remember that not all functions need be defined to accept parameters, though most of functions do. This brings us now to the important concept of a function returning a value and also the return type of a function. But before that, let us briefly understand the concept of scope of the function variables and the function call mechanism. Let's take a brief note on scope of function variables. Variables declared within the calling function cannot be accessed unless they are passed to the called function as arguments. The only other contact a function might have with the outside world is through global variables that we will consider later. Local variables are declared within a function. They are created anew each time the function is called and destroyed on return from the function. Values passed to the function as arguments are received into the function's formal parameters that can also be treated like local variables.